you guys have seen me apply this before, so I'm just gonna fast forward through the parts that you've seen me do previously in other videos. I've already done my brows and I've used my shade, which is 450, to conceal underneath and above the eye area. So let's get started. Now I'm going ahead with my foundation, which is the Fenty 450. I'm going to use 2 pumps and use the Fenty sponge, which is a bit discolored at the moment, to apply it to my face. So now I'm going to go ahead and conceal under my eye. Instead of using the regular 450, I picked up a lighter shade, which is 430. I think it's about 2 shades lighter than my regular skin tone, so because I want a bright highlight today. And I'm also going to go in with the 490 to contour. And then we'll get into the good stuff. To go in and buy Nutmeg because that was my highlight shade. And once I dig, let's see which brush, because I bought the Fenty brushes as well, just to be able to have it match. So let's see, I might just go in with my Fenty blender. So I'm going to take Nutmeg and I'm going to put it under my eyes to set. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with Coffee, if I can. And I'm using their setting brush to go in a tiny amount. Now we get to the exciting part. So Fenty dropped a few new bronzers. So I had to get the shade Mocha Mami. So let me just bring it up. That one's Mocha Mami. I just want to switch off the light so you can see what the true shade is. That one's Mocha Mami. And you can see my true shade as well. So I got Mocha Mami, which is their bronzer, which is the darkest one, by the way, so I had to try it out. And I also got Penny For You Tots. Can you see? It's got a chocolatey brown shade. Really beautiful. Really beautiful, really nice. Lastly, I had to get their new highlight shade as well, highlighter shade, so to say. which is Afternoon Snack and More Honey, and I'm going to be going in to highlight with that as well as use it on my eyes. To go in, and I love the packaging of it. So gold, matches like that. So I'm going to go with that in my crease. So picking it up. Can you see? It's not fully visible. I'm going to pack it on and then, wow, this is such a pretty shade. I wanted to focus on the eye. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pick up the eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with Penny For You Tots. Wow, and just apply that on the center of the eye. Wow. I feel though that it does have a bit of fallout. So, and last but not least, I'm going to go in with their new Afternoon Snack and More Honey in the center of the eye. I'm going to go in with Afternoon Snack first and see how that applies. Wow, wow. Just so you can see, I feel like that's even enough. Can you see? Wow. I'm just gonna take More Honey, which is the golden one, and put it in my waterline. Actually, I feel like this needs a bit of a help there. So I'm gonna pop that right here. Pop, pop, pop. I'm loving how it looks. Okay, so I done did my eyes, don't finish my eyes. I put a little bit of Mocha Mami underneath my waterline. I'm feeling it, I'm liking it. So now we're gonna go straight into the bronzing. So they also have a bronzer brush. It kind of reminds me of the highlighter, a highlight brush as well. It's just a larger version. So it's supposed to be cheek hugging. So since I haven't contoured, I'm just gonna use this because it reminds me a whole lot of my contour, which is Ibang from Marina Butia. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use their brush. And as you know, bronzer is just supposed to be on the cheek to kind of give you a suntan glow. Now I've just recently come back from holiday, so I still got my glow, but this is hopefully going to give me a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with the brush on both sides and just go straight. I'm going to use the mirror because it's so pretty. So here we go. Right. Okay. Can you see? Can you see how it's giving me a flash of color, a warmth to my face? I'm really liking it in comparison to the other side, which kind of looks a bit dull. This one looks a bit pigmented. Let's just put it that way, pigmented. I'm liking it. So can you tell the difference? Let me know in the comments below what you think, because I'm feeling it. So I'm going to go right and do on the other side. And as you can tell, the Penny For You Tots actually does have a lot of fallout, which you can tell. So do your eyes before you do that one. Now I'm going to go in on my forehead and hopefully I'll see a difference there as well. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay. That's how we play. You can tell this side contra this side. I might just go back and buy a second version of this because it's not playing with me. Ooh, might even bronze a little bit down here. I'm going to go in with Penny For You Tots, which I've used on my eye, but I want to also apply it as a blush. So let's just go in. And I'm using their bronzer brush as well. I'm not sure I like this because it's falling out. It has a lot of fallout. It's so pretty, but there's such large chunks of glitter in it. I'm not sure. Okay. The chunks are just coming out. Okay. Are we liking it? Can you tell that there's quite a lot of large chunks of glitter in it as well? So it does give you color, but it does match the bronzer really well though. So let's see. So that's what Penny For You Tots looks like. I'm not sure I'm 100% feeling it. It's pretty, but the chunks are ruining it. And they fall out completely. Ooh, y'all Fenty people, don't come for me. So now I'm gonna go in with Afternoon Snack More Money. But I think I like Afternoon Snack a lot more. So I'm going to place that on my brush and just go on top of Penny For You Tots. Ooh, okay. I see. Yeah, I'm really liking it. And I'll pop some on this side as well. There we go. Move it a little bit higher. And now you can see. Might go brave and just pop it above the brow bone. And I did buy a new lipstick from them. I can't tell. This one is Stunner Lip Paint Unveil. So it's brown. So I'm going to go right ahead and line my lips with Chestnut from MAC. Ooh, time to try this. Let's see. Ah. If its staying power is as good as the red lip stunner, which I do have here, I will be ecstatic. Wow. Loving it. I'm gonna. So the Body Lover is Trophy Wife, and I've heard that this new formulation is different because it doesn't actually become as sticky as the first ones were, which I do have here as well. So I'm going to use their, what's it called, Fenty Beauty Face and Body, and just, oh, it's very yellow. So let's see if we can get that on. Ooh, okay. The good thing about the yellow tone is that it actually does give you more warmth in the body, on the body. Oh, and it smells like vanilla as always, as everything else. So I'm just applying it like Rihanna, but a little bit more hard-handed, I guess. So let's see. I think a little goes a long way, and I've overdone it. So I'm just going to pop this down here. Yes. So yeah, I'm feeling it. So guys, that is my full review. I hope you liked it. I hope Fenty does release a few more darker shades. That would be so appreciated. And if you like this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and also the bell button so you get notified when new videos come out. For now, I'm gonna do that annoying YouTube thing where I do this and then I do this and then I do slow-mo and then I let you see it all. I really like these products. I'm not regretting at all that I bought them. I'm really happy with them. So, bye.
abasudde ninjaba muri